Dimente, do you want to do some calculus? Come on, let's go derive.
I can't take it anymore. Do I use the alternate form?
How do I arrive?
At the tangent.
First you take the exponent and move it down. Then you subtract by 1. Do you want to do some calculus? We will always need pre-calculus.
Calculator girls.
Okay, bye.
I can show you the world. Derivatives, integrals, limits. Tell me, girls, now when did you last let your heart derive? You can start with f prime to find the relative extrema. It can also find concavity when you're given a graph. A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. If it's differentiable and continuous, then we know that we can apply theorems.
A whole new world, a set of theorems I never knew. If f of a equals f of b, there's tangent c, then f prime of c must be 0 someplace. Let's get down to business to study for the AP exam. Took the derivative when they asked for the integral. Gotta add to the exponent and then divide. Students, I'll get a 5 out of you. Average value of a function. Find the area within. Once you find the integral, you are sure to win. This is the most accurate way, yet you haven't got a clue. Students, I'll get a 5 out of you.
I'm never gonna get an A. Say goodbye to my GPA. Or was I fool at school for skipping class?
This exam's got them scared to death. Hope they don't put trig sub on. Now I really wish that I knew inverse trig.
Get a 5.
We must know a VDU.
Get a 5.
Or use tabular.
Get a 5.
Just don't use e to the x, cause then you can't stop the bleeding.
If you have a limit of a series that isn't 0, then it must diverge. But if it does, then you must retest, taking the limit of the ratio. You take the limit as n goes to infinity of the ratio with absolute values. Don't forget to add the 1 to n. Divide by a sub n, and it must be less than 1 to be convergent.
Can you feel the stress tonight? The fear of AP tests. Too many theorems I have to memorize with all of these conditions.
It was a dark, dark day, the day of the calculus exam. Every student's nightmare. They forgot to add C. Forgot to add C. Forgot to add C. During the exam, wow, that was so hard. Rob's got a 3. Up in multi-integrate. Engineering is their fate. Down here in B Street, we just need plus C. Forgot to add C.
Go.
I can't take it anymore. Do I use the alternate form?
How do I arrive?
At the tangent.
First you take the exponent and
No, voice crack.
No.
Well, let's go for skipping class.
That was rough.
I'm never gonna get an A. Say goodbye to my GPA. What was I fool? Let's go for
Okay. Is that you telling us?
Yeah.
That was bouncing.
Well, okay. Go.
Forgot to add C.
Let's go.
Did you press record?
Yeah, that's what let's go means. Recording.